Hi and welcome back. In this video we are going to talk about why people is important to start a business. See, ultimately whether it is online people who are starting an online business or offline business, at one point they are in a people community to doing it successfully. People who fail to do that, they fail to do business. That's what the magic of people. See, to start even this online course, I went to the online community, in different online community, and then which community I learned a lot of things, and this helped me to start this kind of to reach to you through these online courses. Not only that, let's talk about the power of information. See, there is a two kind of information available in the world. One is a public information and another one is a private information. Public information can be gathered on internet and publicly everywhere, but the power is lies within private information. Whether you are running a big company or you are starting a business, this private information is highly important. I was reading one article about the job market in USA, and I came to know that around 60% of the job almost in any country, they are a hidden job. Many company they don't publish it officially, and oftenly many of the recruitment done by connection, who knows whom, right? In the same way, business world is also constructed in the same way. Particularly if you don't know the people in your industry, it will be very difficult to survive. So the people give you a private information, and private information is a power, is an opportunity. All right. Second, people is a base of knowledge. The more people you are surrounded with, you having access of more knowledge. Some of the people are different people are expertise in different field. So you getting the expertise, you having access of different level of resources, and you know how to get the resources when you need it in a right moment. See, good manager or a good leader are those who knows where to tap when they need. Okay, so the people is giving you the power of knowledge. People is also a base of skill. Maybe you are good in something, but the people around you, they are good in something else. So at one point when you need them, you can reach them easily. Other than that, the people is highly important for fund. See, if you want to raise a fund, just pitching to anonymous people, they won't help you to raise $1 million or even 1,000. Oftenly, the funding comes through a trusted sources. I study many successful companies, and I realize that most oftenly funding come from the trusted source. In the case study section, we are going to discuss about how the funding received in a different successful companies. And then people is also a base of idea. If you're having a small group of any particular topic, you can share your point of view, and you can see how diverse different kind of thinking is, how people think differently, and which can open up the different aspect of your ideas. People is also resources. At one point, if you need somebody to work in your startup, you need to work with the people you can connect with. You can connect with the harmony. You can trust them, and if you are in a group of people, they can help you to reach to the right people to get the work done. Even, and we will see that how does it work in the successful enterprise in the case study again. So thank you so much for your attention. That's what the power of people it is. So see you soon in the next video to understand how we can have how we can get the people. Thank you so much for your attention.